Ka samla Diva Tang na West Jaintia Hills, kalala wan penpau ya kasap ka bakarpang haka jingelek kai table tennis jong ka lumpung 6th Meghalaya Games, haka bakala yoban khur hadu laitali kita kemaksiar, kata haka jingkun haka thup mixed doubles haringkat uparlok u erful dekar, women's double haringkat ka meda ihun langswer, bat haka jingkun ba marway kabalong haka arpo artrik kalalingkon, ha indoor hall la thalabo. Ka jingjob hai kini jia khun paralok kalong ru khamtam namar ka jingtibit ka jong ka Diva Tang kabala sha jiet ru kum ka best woman player haka table tennis haka ni lumpung kani ka jingno senyang borba ka jongka kalayarap ru ban kentiu haka baya de ka jingyok khur takma jongka West Jaintia Hills district haka jingale ka table tennis ka West Jaintia Hills kalayok khur laitali kitak maksiar bot sa ka East Khas Hills kabalayo artali kitak maksiar. Ha kaliang kishinrang uritu raj shabong na East Khas Hills ulayo ya kanam best man player da kabayo Korea katang maksiar ha ka jingale kai men's singles category kumju ha ka men's doubles but mixed doubles. Ha ka mixed doubles uritu raj shabong ulaya kun haringkat umeri zone 1 yang but yo Korea katakma rupa nakabenta ka East Khas Hills. Kumju ha men's doubles ushabong ulaya kun haringkat ubane kupar sangkli banjob ya kata kemaksiar kabala penlong ru ya u ba unsha jiet kum unong yelek kai batabitam ki weipat ki bajob ha kaliang kishinrang ki kentup ya uchesan marak na West Garo Hills ubala yo ya kata kemarupa ha ka men's singles bat upaban kanta kanwar na East Khas Hills ubala yo ya kata kemarnong ha ka men's doubles u Gilbert Sotun bat uroy nongbri na East Khas Hills kilayo Korea kata kemarupa kat ba upaban kanta kanwar bat ulabib Faisal Ahmed na East Khas Hills kilayo ra ya kata kemarnong.
Bertut yang atau Diva Tang, cina yang atau Pramer West Jaintia Hills. Cina kemana ya au represent yang West Jaintia Hills. Itu ilat ko yang au punya sapi wajah yang sedang wan besar yang has kuliah dan le upam coaching camp te ya dia kena untuk mana dia ujian kena te cha select au te hikayu nga kam tu kat te la khadar senam pada tu berkata
future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
Last time, unfortunately, during the Meghalaya Games, during the 5th Meghalaya Games, tennis was excluded, primarily because of the fact that there were no tennis courts available in Garo Hills. So, but this time, the management and the Games Committee has made sure that tennis is included, and they have revived these courts here in Jaintia Hills that were there in the Northeast Adventist University campus, but were hardly being used. Okay. But now you can see for yourself. I mean, the renovation that has taken place and the latest state-of-the-art layout has been prepared for the court surface, and arrangements have been made for people to come and watch the game, and it's a tremendous step by the government as well as the Games Committee to, by giving these facilities here, it is definitely going to encourage the youth, especially because it's in a academic atmosphere and campus. So there will be a lot of youngsters maybe initially experimenting with the game, but then later on picking up and, trying to master the game, and let's hope this is the first stepping stone where Jaintia Hills will also start producing champions. And I'm not saying that, because as of now the only popular district which has tennis is the East Khasi Hills and primarily Shillong, where people are playing tennis. But we as the Meghalaya Tennis Association would like tennis to be in every district of Meghalaya, and we would like tennis to be represented from Meghalaya in the national level as well as the international level. But let's not look at the international level as of now. Let's look at the national level. And all these facilities are definitely going to help the sport of tennis.
Double 4.